Beginner video editor.
Glow effect. Yeah. Increase the glow radius. Oh no. Oh yes, this is how it can be done. Yes. Okay, another effect. Turbulent displacement. Ha, this is quite messy. Is there any faster and easier way to do all this? Oh, hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Man, you are wasting a lot of time by not using some very useful plugins.
Okay, and I guess you are paying for them?
No, man, because they are free.
Wow, tell me which are they?
Hello, everyone. My name is Naresh, and today we are going to talk about 5 most important and free plugins used for After Effects. So let's dive into it.
It will not only boost your workflow but also make your video super cool. Do not miss the last free plugin I am going to reveal because it is going to change how you add shadow. So first in our list is Motion Tool Pro. It is 100% free and believe me, this one plugin will save you a lot of time. It has so many features, but what I like the most is arranging layers using a single click and changing anchor points using this icon. So if you have multiple layers and you want to sequence them, then no need to do it manually one by one. Trim them as per your animation, change the value of this keyframe and click on this sequence icon here. And it's done. You can change the anchor point with just one click. Even if multiple shapes, you can do it for multiple shapes also. You can add the elasticity to movement using this icon. So after applying the initial position keyframes, select them and press this icon. Select keyframes and you can sequence them too. Now select keyframe and using this icon you can add loop expression. Yes, without opening and writing in the expression window. Isn't that cool? And if you click while holding the Alt or Option key, it will add ping pong movement. Isn't it a must-have plugin? If you are a video editor, then surely have you used the glow effect in your one or another video. If you think that the deep glow is the only plugin that render an awesome glow effect, then you are wrong. The second plugin in our list is Production Credits Glow. It is a free alternative to deep glow. Pre-compose the layer you want to apply the glow. Open, select and run the script. And click. And voila. What if I tell you that you don't have to go every time to Effects and Preset menu to search and add whichever effect you want to add? Yes, you can directly search and add the effect you want to add right from your timeline by pressing Shift plus Spacebar or whatever shortcut you set to open it. Yeah, that is our third plugin, FX Console by Video Copilot. One of my favorite. You can search the effect you want to add and boom. Isn't it just awesome? And it will save tons of your time. Not only that, but it also allows you to take screenshots of your composition and export them. I love this plugin and highly recommend you all to start using it. You are gonna love it.
Let's get it.
The fourth plugin in our list is aejuice. aejuice offers a wide variety of plugins, free and paid, for all pro video editing software. aejuice has these amazing free plugins with a total market value of $225 that you can get for free right now. It comes with several effects, overlays and animations for you to simply drag and drop, so you can spice up your video content. This is perfect for music video editors, content editors and directors. After downloading, to access this plugin, you need to go to your Windows tab, click on aejuice Pack Manager and drag it to your preferred spot on your composition. aejuice is kind enough to provide me a license to try a few of their paid plugins and they are awesome. Neon, Title, Newspaper Constructor and Film Burn Transition if you want to edit like Drew Rathi. Select the effect you want to use import it and customize the text and other things. Done. And drag and drop whiteboard animation, never been so easy. Among their paid plugins, the I Want It All bundle is quite popular, having 70 plus packages with huge discounts. Check out the link in the description. Our fifth free plugin is this text animator, and you can select the available list of animation styles and preview them. You can choose whether you want to have a new comp or not by selecting this checkbox and apply them with one click. Guys, I wanted to finish it here, but can't resist myself to share another cool and one of my favorite plugins I found accidentally from one of the YouTube tutorials. Select the layer you want to add shadow, go to Windows and select Shadow Thrower, click it. You can adjust the color and noise patterns and all, and wow. So this is it guys. Which plugins do you like the most and which you are going to use? Have I missed any useful and free plugins? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one. Bye bye.